Hello friends, this is Ashutosh and today I'm going to talk about polygon surfaces. So firstly I want to talk about what is objects. So everything is object basically. So like this rectangular cuboid is also it may be a ball, it may be anything which we see in real life. So if you have ever played with matchstick like this, so you can see the faces, like it has this face and this face and this, and we have this on this also, and we have also vertices, so like this and this like that. So we have also edges, like this line is edge and this line is edge, this line is also edge. So likewise, so if you have opened the this matchbox in your childhood, maybe you have done it, so it looks something like that, and you can easily see all the faces. So that's how an object is made. So if I write objects definition, so object is simply represented as the collection of surfaces. It is collection of surfaces. So this is surface, like this is also surface. So it is made from some surfaces, and we just joined them to make the object. Okay, so moving forward, so these polygon surfaces can be represented in two ways. So what are those? So first one is boundary representation. Hope it is visible. Yes. So boundary representation and space partitioning. Representation, yes. So these are important terms. So first let us understand the term itself, then we would move towards the definition. So suppose you have earth. Okay, so this is our earth, and these are planets around it, or stars you can say. So for us this is object and this is environment. So object is made from some surfaces or collection of surfaces, and this separates the whole environment. Okay, so let us go through its definition. So it describes a 3D object. So this is a 3D object, you can say sphere, as a collection of surfaces. Okay, so it is made up from some surfaces, collection of surfaces that separates interior from the environment. Okay, hope it is clear. So it describes a 3D object as a collection of surfaces. So this object is collection of surfaces. It is separating the interior from the environment. So it just separating, it is showing the boundary so that it is separated from the environment. So it is different, like we have studied in 11th 12th class, like system and environment, like that. So if we go to the space partitioning representation. So if we have a, like I have given the example of a cube. So we have, so suppose I have a cube and the environment, it is our environment, outside it is the environment. Okay, so inside it, it contains some properties, or we have partitioned it into small sets so that we can get this property. So why we are getting these properties, I would explain later. So moving toward the definition, it describes interior properties. So it describes the interior properties. What are those properties? Okay, let me write first. So what are those properties, interior properties, like faces or surfaces, edges, vertices, by partitioning the spatial region containing objects into small sets. So it describes interior properties by partitioning the spatial region. So what is a spatial region? So spatial region, the space is, it is covering, so that is spatial region. So containing the object into small set. So what can be the set? So I have already told you, like, so we have how many vertices we have, like vertices. So the vertices, maybe I have v1 v2 vertices, v3 vertices, v4 vertices. Likewise I can have edges also, like I have e1 edge, e2 edge, e3 edge. So these kind of set we contain in this space partitioning representation. So we may have surfaces, like in my cube I have 6 surfaces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So s1 s2 s3, it is just for example. Okay, so now we would understand why we are getting these properties. So many graphic system use this method of set polygon method or space partitioning representation, so are stored for object description. This simply simplifies or speed up our rendering process. So speed up our rendering process, the surface rendering. So if we have the data, then we can easily, so if I have the data of vertices, edges, I can easily make the equations and easily plot on the graph. So it would be the, okay, so and display object, since, so it just speed up the surface rendering process. So let us discuss about its application. So applications can be in 3D modeling or sculpturing, Okay, so these are its application. So realistic scenes are produced by interpoling the, so let me write, so realistic scenes are produced by interpoling shading pattern across polygon surface. So what do we mean by interpoling shading? So it simply means to increase the number of vertices. Like if I have this, hope it is visible. So if I have like this, so if I have shape like this, or if I increase its vertices, so it would automatically look like a cylinder, like that. So interpoling shading means simply increasing the number of edges or number of points in a shape so that we can get a more clear shape. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have see this video till here, thanks for watching.